Welcome to the Deratified channel. In this video, you're going to see a sneak peek of the Fimi X8 SE and the Mavic Air 2. Alright, if this is your first time here, you should consider subscribing to the channel. Tons of good content here. Alright, let's get into the video. Okay, so here we are on the other side of the intro, and I just wanted to kind of set the table on what you're about to see. So this video is the portion of the slow motion capabilities of these two drones, and an upcoming video will compare all the capabilities of the cameras of these two drones. But right now, you're just going to see the slow motion. Both of these drones here, the X8 and the Mavic Air 2, were filmed in 4K 30 frames a second. Everything else is fully automatic. The white balance, ISO, all that fully automatic. And I've decreased the speed down to 20% of the original 100% value. I've uploaded the video to 4K. I've edited the video in 4K, so everything's in 4K. So I'm hoping you guys are viewing it in 4K, and let us know in the comments below what you all think about the video. Alright, thanks for watching. As usual, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of the channel, boom, boom, smash that subscribe button, guys. Alright, let's jump into the video. Okay, so here we are after you've had a chance to watch a video, and I'm really interested to hear from you guys in the comments below what video you prefer, the clinical look of the Mavic Air 2 or the vivid look of the Fimi X8 SE. Please let us know. We're all interested in hear what you all think. So I appreciate you guys giving me the feedback, and as usual, appreciate you guys sticking around this long. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of the channel, boom, boom, hit that subscribe button, guys. I will see you guys in future videos.